I've been attached with the feeling of now waking up with you by my side.
Rom-com. Diba? Kilig. When you hear the song, very kilig.
Sa mga hindi pa nakakarinig, sige, tell us about Magdadala.
Ano siya, parang sabi ko, first time ko kumanta ng ganito na music, na song. Ang galing niya, parang it's you and I against the world. It's that type of music, which is so nice. Parang, and it's so hard kasi to translate our emotions through music. Pero this one, parang every word of the song, nandun siya eh.
Yes, ang dami talaga magagandang lyrics dito sa album ni Belle. So, who did you work with for this album?
Of course, Star Pop, my Star Pop family, sina Sir Rox, Trisha, oh my God, si Seska, sila talaga. Grabe kami sa studio. Alam mo, we're working but we don't feel like we're working because we just really enjoy each other's company. And that's what I love whenever we do like sessions like that or sobrang tutok and super collaborative namin. And it's a teamwork talaga.
Pero alam mo, nagulat kami kasi parang ang busy-busy mo. Ang dami mong ginagawang projects. Tapos meron ka pang mga endorsements. Like, one glimpse at your social media accounts, makikita mo na doon na ang dami mo ginagawa. So, saan mo nasingit tong paggawa ng album? Like, how was the recording process like? Was it in between, mga ngarat na photo shoots and everything?
We actually recorded this last year pa. And sabi namin, when's the right time to release this album? Kasi supposedly, tama po ba? Last year pa dapat i-release tong album. Pero, blessing in disguise, we released it ngayong Love Month. Diba? So, ang ganda niya kasi, ayun, parang we just,
Hindi, parang saan mo na isingit ito pag-record?
ano naman, parang sabi ko, I will always find time to do music. Because I love doing music. It's a way for me to express myself and, such as acting, di ba? We have different ways to express yourself. And ang ganda kasi parang parang naging personal diary siya ng composer.
Yes, yun nga. Tapos, syempre, ang next question ng mga tao, since nag-album ka na, you've done successful concerts before. Gusto mo na rin ba na mag-concert dahil may bago kang album?
Hindi naman! Hindi ko pa po alam. Hindi ko alam. Pero hopefully, syempre pag nag-concert kami, we really want to be equipped. Talagang different siya sa previous concert namin. Syempre, deserve nila yung best. So, I'm just so excited. If ever mangyari man yun, why not?
Yes, okay. So, now that medyo nakapag-warm up na tayo, it's time to open the floor for questions from our friends from the media. Syempre, bigyan natin sila ng chance to ask you a question. So, are we... Okay, sige. Tawagin natin ang ating first friend from the media, from Push, ABS-CBN, Aliana C. de Guzman. Palakpakan po natin si Aliana C. de Guzman from Push.
So, again, congratulations, Belle, for your new release. So, for the longest time, we've known you as a great artist. So, ngayon that you are continuing your musical career, how do you prepare? Like, as a music artist, is this different from being an actress? So, paano ka nagpe-prepare? Do you practice at home? Do you take music lessons? Ganyan. Sabi mo nga rin kanina, parang collaborative paggawa ng album. So, paano?
Well, for me kasi, I grew up using video okay. Parang yun yung naging practice ko po. Totoo lang. As in, laking video okay talaga ako. So, parang hindi siya nawala sa akin na I've always wanted to pursue music. Sobrang iba niya sa acting kasi feeling ko sa acting kasi meron ng character, nakaplot yung story ng character mo, alam mo na yung pupuntahan. Pero sa music kasi, ikaw yung magna-navigate ng story mo on your own. which is so nice nga. Yun nga po, like what I said earlier, para siyang nagiging diary. And ang ganda kasi nung thought na we're able to translate our emotions through music. And I've always loved the idea. And syempre, yung karaoke dreams ko. Ayun po.
Tunay na Pinoy na pinalaki,
Oo,
no? May
videoke
karaoke.
talaga.
So, for you, parang ano yung mas mahirap sa tingin mo?
Pareho po. Parang syempre may sarili-sarili silang challenges kasi syempre pag acting, mata. Pero dito kasi, even when you're singing, nararamdaman pa rin yung emotion. So for this album, since happy yung album, happy kami the whole recording. Apo.
Do you have any inspiration in this specific album? Sabi mo nga, happy tong album na to.
Yes.
So, do you have someone ba or something? Inspiration?
I think more than inspiration, we wanted to focus on the relatability of the album. We wanted people na those who listen to it will be able to relate to it and take inspiration, di ba? Love is a universal language po. So, parang gusto lang namin na yung listeners namin, they feel kilig, they feel love, and that's the tone of the album.
Did you also write a specific song in this album?
Naku, wala po.
Pero ano
Hopefully,
ba?
gusto ko. I really want to. Sabi ko nga, sana matutunan ko talaga yun. If there's one thing I wanna learn, it's to write talaga song. Nagsulat na ako before, dalawa. Pero kasi, I think that's still something I'm trying to learn. Kasi magaling ako, naumpisahan ko siya, hindi ko siya matapos. So sabi ko, aralin ko pa. But hopefully, sana this year, maybe, sana makatapos po ako ng kanta.
And for my last question, any dream collaboration? Sinong artist yan? Local? International?
Oh my gosh, Olivia Dean. I love Olivia Dean. Come be the man. Hindi po. Olivia Dean, I love her songs. Parang ganun nga rin yung vibe ng album, di ba? Very light. And ang ganda kasi ng music niya. Alam mo yung napapangiti ka pag napapakinggan mo. Ayun po yung gusto namin.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much
Thank
po.
you,
Congratulations,
Aliana.
Belle. Thank you so much
Aliana
po.
Guzman. By the way, yung mga, tinanong ko rin to kanina, the people you worked with dun sa album, of course, we have the Jonathan Manalo,
Yes!
Rock Santos, Trisha Denise, as you mentioned. Yeah, kaya ang gaganda rin talaga ng song.
Grabe sila. Grabe yung utak nila, no?
Mabigatin ito. Okay. Thank you. And now, on to our next question. Sino ba ang next natin magtatanong? Okay, we have Bix. Palakpakan po
Hi
natin
po!
si Bix!
Hello po.
Ang dami friends ni Bix.
Long time no see.
Hi, Belle.
Hello po.
Congratulations. Ano pakiramdam mo pag kumakanta ka, nag-record ka ng song? Kasi, kumbaga hindi ko yung sa acting na nakasanayan mo. Ano yung fulfillment na nadarama mo?
Pag nasa studio kami, ang saya niya. Sobrang nag-enjoy po ko. Pero pag live, kinakabahan ako. Pero like yung kaba ko kasi rooted siya sa parang, ay nakakatuwa, napapakinggan na ng tao yung music. And I'm just so happy. Siyempre, you know, this is something talaga na I've always wanted.